Yo, what's going on YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online Coach, and today I am super excited. I'm going to be sharing with you a really cool method of how you can start making money on YouTube without ever creating your own footage, without ever having to record yourself. You are absolutely going to love what I have in store for you today. This is 100% legit. I have done all the research and I absolutely love this method, and best of all, this can be done worldwide. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. You do not want to miss any of the steps, otherwise this will not work. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Alright, you guys, real quick here before we get too deep into this video, the first thing that you are going to want to do, if you have not already done so, if you are brand new to this channel, the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Click this bright red box right here, click this bell notification, make sure that you select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with new videos every single week teaching you tons of fabulous new methods of how you can start generating an income online for yourself. So make sure that you come through here, check out all the fabulous content that I have posted on this channel of how you can start generating an income online. And then last but not least, if you are anything like me and you are an entrepreneur at heart, do not forget to check out my #1 recommendation to start generating an income online. This is where I got started 5 months ago. I cannot recommend this enough, you guys. This is where you can get a life of freedom, where you can quit your 9 to 5, where you can literally break free and create your own online business. You want to make sure that you check out right here where it says passive income. Follow this arrow down to where it says learn how to make money online. That's where you want to get started. And then last but not least, if you find any valuable content in this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. It helps to grow my channel, it helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. And the YouTube algorithm absolutely loves that, and so do I. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video and show you how you can start generating more than $100 a day on YouTube without ever creating your own footage. You are going to love this. Do not close that browser. Make sure that you watch this video all the way through. All right, you guys, so you see this weird train video right up here at the top. It has generated over 9.2 million views and roughly $27,000 worth of revenue. And the person that created this most likely did not use their own footage. And I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing and start earning some serious cash on YouTube. Even if you don't have any subscribers and you have a brand new YouTube account, I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. This is very, very simple to do. I'm going to step you through every single one of the steps. And like I said, this is 100% legit. I've done all the research, so there's nothing fishy going on here. And I'm going to show you proof as to why this is legit, so stick with me through this entire video. Alright, you guys, so like I said, you will not be using any of your own footage. You do not have to get behind a camera. You do not have to go out there and film anything. So we're going to use other people's footage, and the way that we're going to be able to do this is with a thing called a Creative Commons license. And this is very, very simple to do. If you're not familiar with what a Creative Commons license is, I simply Googled this so that you can see proof right here. I said, what is a Creative Commons YouTube? And it says Creative Commons license provide a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. Permission to use their work. So YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons license. So that means that any of the videos that are on YouTube that have this Creative Commons license that have been marked that way, you can reutilize those videos and repurpose them and create compilations and top 10 videos. So this is what we're going to be doing. This is very, very similar to what we saw in that train video. Someone basically went out there, repurposed some footage of trains, and then made their own train compilation video that has generated over 9.7, I think it was, million views, you guys. So basically what we're going to be doing here is searching for videos with that Creative Commons license and then repurposing them just like they did in that train video, and creating our own top 10 videos and compilation videos, and basically adding some keyword rich titles, adding a new thumbnail that has a very good click-through rate that really pops, that people are going to want to click on. And that's how we're going to start generating video on YouTube that people are actually going to want to click on, that we know that they actually like, and actually start generating some revenue, just like we saw with that train video. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that we're searching for videos that are trending, that get a lot of views, that people are searching for constantly. And the way that we do this is we can simply go over here to the trending tab and see what's trending, or we can stick to categories that we know for sure people are searching constantly for, like top 10 videos and compilations, because those are the types of videos that we're going to be making. Now, the categories that you're going to want to stick to are ones that are such as like fitness, conspiracy theories, sports highlights, gaming videos. Alrighty, so let's just very quickly run through an example. If this were me, I would type in top 10 and I would type in something like Ronaldo. If you're not familiar with who Ronaldo is, he's just a very famous soccer player. I know that he's getting a ton of views. You can do this with other famous celebrities, stars, anything like that. As long as you stick to the categories that you know are going to be getting a lot of views, like I said, such as fitness, conspiracy theories, gaming, sports, anything like that, specific names. as long as you know that those people are going to be generating a lot of views and people search for them a lot, those are the categories that you want to be in. So I'm going to stick with top 10 Ronaldo. We're going to hit enter. And then the next thing that you're going to want to do here, and this is very, very important, is you're going to want to come down here to where it says filter, and then you're going to want to click Creative Commons. Now that's very, very important. And then the next step that I would take is actually come back to filter and sort this by view count, because we care about what videos are getting a ton of views. Now, all these videos that you're seeing right here, right now, have the Creative Commons license. So we can download any one of these videos that we want and repurpose these, cut them up, edit them, and then actually just repurpose them, retitle them, repackage them, add a new thumbnail, and start creating the same views. We can also go a little bit further. I'm gonna show you a very simple little hack at the end of this video of how you can actually start utilizing the same keywords that that video was using and start generating very, very similar views. All right, you guys, now stick with me. Now jumping back up to the top here, you can see that this video right here, which has been filtered by Creative Commons and by view count, has 27 million views. So that's roughly $81,000 in revenue. And the way that I'm able to calculate this is very, very simple. All I did was Google how much does someone make on YouTube per 1,000 views. And so if you see right here, on average, the YouTube channel can receive $18 per 1,000 ad views. This equates to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. So now we know on average, every video that has 1,000 views is generating roughly $3, which means that for every million views, that's $3,000. So that video had 27 million views. So if we do 27 times 3,000, that gives us $81,000 in revenue. That's just an easy way to calculate how much money these videos are generating in revenue. So you can see just how powerful this is, you guys. These videos are generating a ton of revenue. So your next step after this is going to be to actually download these different videos right here and create your own compilation or top 10 video. And the way that you're going to do this is simply by downloading them. So now that we know that every one of these has the Creative Commons license, we can download any one of these videos. And the way that you're going to do that is by simply Googling how to download YouTube videos. I'm not going to go into a whole description of how to download those. You can simply run a search and they have step-by-step tutorials on here of how to do it. It's very, very simple to do. One of them actually keeps you right in your web browser. You don't have to actually download any software. So check that out. And your next step after that, you guys, would basically be just to go out there and get some free video editing software. Maybe you already have some. Take the footage that you just downloaded and you're going to make your own compilation, your own top 10 videos, and then you're going to re-upload that back to YouTube. So your next step after you have your compilation or your top 10 video or whatever type of video that you created uploaded back to YouTube is you're going to want to be able to create a thumbnail. I highly recommend canva.com. You can do this 100% for free on Canva. So you'll basically come here, type in YouTube thumbnail, and then once you click that, it'll give you your own template right here where you can actually start adding your own text, backgrounds, elements. Make sure that you spend a little bit of time on your actual thumbnail because this is what people are going to see first and what's going to drive people to actually click through and watch your video. So spend some time on that. And then last but not least, what you're going to need is a very good title for your video. And you want to spend some time adding some very keyword rich words in there that people are actually searching for so that your video is actually found. So what you can do actually is go back to the original video that was posted that's similar to yours. You can click on this, and what you're going to do is you're going to install a program such as vidIQ, and you can do this 100% for free. You can get their basic version of this, and basically what this is a plugin that installs into your browser. And what happens is when you're watching other people's videos, you can see all kinds of analytics. And what's really cool about this is you can see what title they used, and you can see the keywords that they used right here. And that's really important because you can reutilize these keywords by simply copying them and pasting them into your own video, or you can maybe do some research and see what can you add to that to make this video actually more popular. So there you have it, YouTube fam. Go out there and utilize this method over and over and over again. Start growing your own YouTube channel and get as many videos out there as you possibly can. Like I said, this is 100% legit to do as long as those videos have that Creative Commons license. You can reutilize those videos, edit them, repackage them, and repurpose them and start generating an income online for yourself on YouTube. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. That's all I have for you guys today. If you found any valuable content in this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up button, you guys. That is very, very important. It helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. And I am always super grateful for every single like that I get. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification and make sure that you select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, and I'm coming out with videos every single week. And last but not least, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. That's where you can get a life of freedom, quit your 9-to-5, fire your boss, and work from anywhere in the world. So make sure that you check that out. And like I said, it's directly beneath this video right here where it says Chad Bennett Live, my #1 recommendation to make money online. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.